You guys all right?
Yeah, you're good, you're good.
All right, I am not going fast, so. You guys all right? You need me to call? You want me to call? You're okay? All right. So you all right? Do you need me to call?
No, I think
You're okay? All right. Yep. Good reminder. Take care of yourselves. Yes. Oh, that felt good. Oop. You go ahead. Gotta stop this. That's right. Somebody ate it on Tempest just now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know he was doing that. He was going really close there.
Were you with people?
Yeah.
Somebody fell. With like, how many other people were you with? Like 5?
Yeah.
Yeah. They stopped. Somebody's off the trail with their helmet off. So they're okay. I asked them if they wanted me to call. They said they're all right. So they might be a little bit. That's all. All right. Welcome. I hope everything's all right. Take care, guys. Sorry about that.
Get it done in 1 year. She's flashlight 11K.
For less than 11K, you can earn your competency-based master's degree in under a year at University of Phoenix. Start your degree today at Phoenix.
How'd it go?
Did
Did you do salvation again?
Big glob of mud in my eye.
You don't wear goggles?
Dude, I hate goggles.
Really?
And last season was brutal because it was so dry. We barely got any rain.
Oh yeah.
So it was like my night. I looked like the devil by the time the day was done.
Oh yeah.
Just like blood.
Yeah. I got these. They're pretty good. They don't fog up at all. I don't know if that's your complaint, but
No, it's not. I don't know. I don't know what it is.
it's too much. Yeah. Anything in
I
front.
hate sunglasses too.
Yeah.
I just hate my eyes being covered.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's my favorite run. The one that I just did. I forgot.
Breakout.
Breakout to salvation to whatever gets you to Indy.
Yeah, yeah.
So that is like my favorite.
That's like right
go-to
there.
run. I love that.
Nice. Yeah. Yeah, it's right there somewhere. There it is.
Yep, you're
Thank you. Did you see that kid up top? Like there was a really young kid up top.
Oh yeah.
Oh my
like,
gosh.
I don't know if he was like Asian or something like that. Though. Are you talking about him?
There was a.
Yeah, I see like a
It was
small,
like
small
this size. Holy crap.
There's some of them, dude. Like they had a Red Bull competition
Yeah.
over here last season.
Yeah.
Dude, these young kids, man, doing 360s off the jump.
They're insane.
Flips. It's like.
I was up here for the weekend. They had the competition, and I'm telling you, some of these kids, they're like, 12, 13. I get it, right? But still, like, no fear. It's crazy. It's crazy.
They really have no.
Yeah.
Like almost like they're indestructible.